Hello my dear children, this is my next lecture of chapter 1, Basic Concepts of Chemistry, Avagadro Hypothesis after Dalton's atomic theory. We have completed the topics, just I am going to revise. We have completed the topics laws of chemical combination. Under law of combination there was 4 laws: law of conservation, law of constant, law of multiple, and gave you 6 law. We have covered all the laws along with the numericals, and at the end I will take more numericals. After this law of chemical combination, we also completed Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory postulates, which postulates are related with which law, we also discussed this. Limitation of this theory discussed. Now there is a modern theory, there is a modern atomic theory. Little bit I am telling you, but it is not in your syllabus. Just Dalton's atomic theory and the limitation, and after that there is Avogadro's hypothesis. Just 1 or 2 points I am sharing with you about modern atomic theory. You know, Dalton said atom is the smallest particle which takes part in the chemical reaction. Now dear students, remember he also said atom combine in a simple ratio. But do you know atom in case of sugar C12H22O11, C12H22O11, this is sugar. In this case you can see the ratio is complex 12:22:11. That is, Dalton said atom combine in a simple ratio. You can see the ratio is not simple, it is complex. So remember, in some of the compound the ratio may be complex. It is always simple, but in some of the compound the ratio may be complex, like it is complex in sugar molecule, sucrose molecule. This is modern atomic theory. Now Dalton said when elements are same, their properties are same. But second is, but in case of isotopes, you know isotopes which have the same atomic number, say 6, 12, 6, they have same atomic number, but they have the different mass number. Elements are same, but their properties may differ, like atomic weight, mass number is different. So isotopes. Dalton said when the elements are same, their properties are same. But in case of isotopes, this point is not valid. Similar, Dalton said when elements are different, properties are different. But in case of isobars, you know what is isobar? Isobar is that mass number, that is a mass number same, but mass number same, that is 40-40, argon and calcium, but atomic number different. Different element, argon and calcium. Different element, argon and calcium, but same mass number 40-40. That is in case of isobars. So these are 3 main points. And fourth is, Dalton said atom is the smallest particle, but you know, inside the atom there are so many other smaller particles like electron, proton, neutron, neutrino, other fundamental particles smaller than atom. But remember, always remember this point, atom is really the very smallest part of the matter which actually participate in the chemical reaction. Again listen, atom is the smallest particle of the matter which actually participate in the chemical reaction. So this is all about your modern theory. Next topic is Avogadro's hypothesis. Today's topic is Avogadro's hypothesis. Write down. According to Avogadro's hypothesis, equal volume of all the gases contain equal number of molecules. It's very interesting. Equal volume of all the gases contain equal number of molecules. For example, I take containers of equal volume. The one contain hydrogen, another contain oxygen, another contain nitrogen. Equal volume have same molecules, 6. Just I am showing 6 number, not possible in molecules case. So equal volume, this you can see, this is equal volume, contain equal molecules under similar condition of temperature and pressure. same temperature, same pressure, same type of container, same volume. Gases may be different, but number of molecule is always same according to Avogadro's. The very important point Avogadro shared with us that the smallest particle of the gas is not a atom. Smallest part, listen to this theory in a very minutely, because this is a theory which is the actual basis of the next part. According to Avogadro, the smallest particle of the gas is not an atom. Smallest particle is atom always, but according to Avogadro, smallest particle of the gas is not an atom but a molecule. Remember, write down in this, giving stress, smallest particle of the gas is not an atom but a molecule. Now, he also tells us the difference between atom and molecule. He said, both are the smallest particle of the matter. But atom is that which can exist, which may or may not exist independently. You can write H, but it never exists as such. It always exists as H2. Molecule is that which exists independently. H2, N2, O2, homoatomic molecule, HCl, water, ammonia, heteroatomic molecules. Molecule is that which exists independently, but atom is that which H, O, N, Cl, F. Atom is that which may for helium, neon, argon. These are the atoms of the noble gases made for this. So according to Avogadro, atom is that which may or may not have independent existence, and molecule is that which always have independent existence. And molecules are of two types, homoatomic and heteroatomic. See all my points. So according to Avogadro, remember, smallest particle of the gas is not an atom but a molecule, and atom is the smallest particle of element which may or may not have independent existence. Molecule is the smallest particle again of matter, of any substance, which always have independent existence. Now I am telling you in detail. Write down applications of Avogadro's hypothesis. The first application is, write down application of Avogadro's hypothesis. The first application is to determine atomicity of gases. Write down, the first application is to determine atomicity is the number of atom in a molecule. Write down, atomicity is the number of atom in a molecule. Now I am starting with my atomicity term by taking example H2. Write down H2 plus half O2 arrow water. H2 plus half O2 arrow water. Or you may write, you can simply write, not to write O2, you can put here 2. At the end we will make the half, 2 oxygen. So it is 2 oxygen. You can make it 4 hydrogen, make it 4 hydrogen. At the end it will automatically become half. You can see now. Now let us start working on it. This is your double, 2 moles, 1. Right here 2 volume, double volume. 2 volume means it has doubled volume. 1 volume. And write down is equal to or arrow. It is 2 volume. So Avogadro said equal volume contain equal molecules. It has double molecules, 2 molecules. It has one molecule. It is 2 molecule. 2 molecule. Volume, molecule. Equal volume contain equal molecules. Now after that you can make it half. 1 molecule will made up. Water 1 molecule will be made up from half molecule of oxygen and 1 molecule of hydrogen. Write down. Make it round it off. 1 molecule of water One molecule of water is always made up from half molecule of oxygen and one molecule of hydrogen. Now, after that, you will calculate the weight. One molecule of water. Next step. Write down below that. One molecule of water is 18 gram. Write down 18 gram. The weight of one molecule of water is 18 gram. So what is the weight of half molecule? Half molecule of oxygen weight is equal to, it is 18 minus 2. 2 is this. One molecule of hydrogen has weight 2 gram. That means it has weight 16 gram. Write down. 2 gram plus 16 gram is equal to 18 gram. That means it is your 16 gram. Now students, here 16 gram is the weight of half molecule of oxygen. But actually in the periodic table, the 16 gram is the weight of one atom of oxygen. Here coming 16 gram is the weight of half molecule, but actually 16 gram is the weight of one atom of oxygen. Thus it comes the answer. Thus it comes half molecule is equal to one atom, and twice, and one molecule is equal to two atom. So this is atomicity. Atomicity is the number of atom in a molecule. Now we came to know atomicity, how atomicity is calculated. Always remember, half molecule is equal to one atom and one molecule is equal to two atom. Next, let us apply this in the next application. Write down the second application is determine molecular formula. Determine molecular formula of any compound. Write down again H2 plus half O2 arrow water. Write down it is one volume, it is half volume, it is one volume, it is one molecule. Equal volume contains equal molecule. It is half molecule and it is one molecule. So, now what is the formula of one molecule of water? One molecule of water is made up of one atom of oxygen. Write down along with me. One atom of oxygen and one molecule means two atom. And two atom of hydrogen. See my style? Two atom of hydrogen. So this comes formula of water. Now I am taking second example. H2 plus Cl2 arrow HCl. Make it half H2, half H2. Half volume plus half volume is equal to one volume. Half molecule plus half molecule is equal to one molecule. So one molecule of HCl is made up of one atom of chlorine and one atom of hydrogen. This comes the formula of HCl. Okay. Now students, I am giving you one example. Now you do yourself. Write down third example. N2 plus 3H2 arrow 2 ammonia. So I am giving you one homework, that is you calculate the formula of ammonia by applying the same theory. 1 volume plus 3 volume is equal to 2 volume. Complete it, and if you are successful in completing the formula of ammonia, that means Avogadro hypothesis is clear. So this is all about Avogadro hypothesis. So my request to all of you, this is a new step for you, a larger step you have taken from class 10 to class 1, that is +1. Now in this case the chemistry is very vast. So my request to all of the students, if you are interested in taking science subject, thoroughly take my lecture, daily take my lecture along with NCERT. That's the reason I'm giving you lecture of just 30 minutes, so that for 30 minutes lecture is sufficient for you. After 30 minutes it's not possible to grasp such a long portion. So my request to all of the students, during taking my lecture, open this as well as NCERT and a rough textbook. You write each and every point daily in a routine, take my lecture. Only then the science become more interesting and your basics become very strong. Chapters are quite lengthy. So this is all about you. This now next topic we'll take tomorrow. The next topic, which is based on Avagadro hypothesis, is atomic mass and molecular mass. Again, a new thing for you. If you will miss my lecture, then it will give you some harm. So my request again and again, daily take my lecture regularly and share, like and share, subscribe my channel, that is Advanced Chemistry, with maximum of the students, because you have taken a large step from 10th to +1. Share my video lectures to all of the students. Thank you.